Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you to one of our favorite past projects, tucked away in the cool, refreshing highlands of Amadeo, Cavite. Surrounded by lush greenery and rolling mountains, this spot gives off nothing but chill, peaceful vibes. The perfect backdrop for something special. And here it is, our custom-built swimming pool. With a shape that's almost like a guitar, it's got curves in all the right places. A little playful, a little artistic, and totally one of a kind. This project was all about blending functionality with natural beauty. From excavation to tiling, every step was done with the view in mind. Imagine chilling here with a drink in hand, mountain breeze in your hair, and not a care in the world. That's the dream, right? Another dream pool, built with heart and passion. If you're thinking about your own escape spot, you know who to call. Thank you so much for watching, mga ka-friendship. If you loved today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest projects and tips. Let Magesco Garden and Pool Services bring your outdoor dreams to life. See you in the next video.